Hey, is anybody in here? You want to knock it off? Knock it off!
He's okay.
Stop! Back up! Stay back! Knock it off!
On December 29th, 2024, at 8:12 in the evening, Rebecca Salomon ran a stop sign at 47 miles per hour on a rural Washington County road and crashed into a Chevy Impala driven by a man named Dave Cournia. He was a Marine veteran. He was driving to work. He was doing the thing that responsible adults do, showing up, being on time. Dave Cournia was found unconscious, slumped over his steering wheel. He was transported to the hospital. 5 days later, on January 3rd, 2025, he died from head and brain injuries sustained in the crash. And the woman who killed him was the associate principal of an elementary school, a woman who spent her career teaching children, a woman who drank 3 margaritas and felt okay to drive.
Hey, is anybody in here? Where are the people? There's nobody in that car. Who was in that car? You two were in that car?
He's still in that car.
Are you okay?
He's not okay.
He's not okay.
He is not okay.
And I have a...
What's going on?
He's struggling to breathe. Well,
He's struggling to
Okay,
breathe.
why don't you sit down here real quick, okay? You're struggling to breathe?
I get some pain right here.
Okay. You have any? What happened?
I don't know.
Who was driving? You were driving? Okay. What all happened here?
I don't know. I crossed the intersection.
Hey, you want to get a rescue over here as well? He's having trouble breathing. So you were driving.
I was driving.
Don't say anything more than that.
I was driving.
Yeah, you're driving.
Okay.
I have some pain right here on the
I need
ribs.
to make
Okay.
sure this guy's okay.
You don't. You need to stay over here.
They're
Can
taking
I-
care of him.
What's going on? Just stay here. I get it.
Just pain right here.
Okay.
Yep. I will help you find your phone.
Don't say. I don't know what's.
Let's just get your husband taken care
I
of.
just want you to be okay, and I want him to be okay.
Well, you can't do anything about that. He's in really good hands right now.
Where were you guys coming from?
We were coming from that direction.
I need.
What? What do you need?
I just need to walk. I need to breathe.
Okay. Well, you need to stay here. I need you to stay here. Okay.
You
You
can't tell me.
breathe.
You can't tell me.
breathe.
You can breathe if you're standing. I need you to stay here.
You
All
can't
right.
tell me not to
There's
breathe.
something's wrong.
Okay. I understand that. We're working on him first. Okay.
Yeah. I don't need. Let me breathe for a minute.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, is he okay?
We don't know right now.
my
So
gosh.
what happened? Where were you coming from?
I was coming from that
You were
direction.
coming. Enough out of you.
Yeah.
Rebecca Salomon drank 3 margaritas over the course of a few hours. At some point during the evening, she switched to water. She told investigators later that she believed she was okay to drive. 3 margaritas, water afterward. She felt fine. She got behind the wheel. Her blood alcohol content, measured later by a blood draw at the hospital, was 0.109, just enough above the line to make her reaction time slower, her judgment worse, and her ability to see a stop sign on a dark county road compromised enough to miss it entirely.
Enough out of you. Do you want to knock it off? Knock it off.
He's okay.
Stop. Back up. Stay back. Knock it off. What is going on?
I haven't done anything.
He just...
I just got in a car wreck.
I came from Lucky Shot.
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
Yeah.
I didn't.
You're done. Cut it out.
He's hurt. He's
I
hurt.
didn't do anything.
He's
I was
hurt.
in
He
a
can't
car
breathe.
wreck.
He can't breathe.
I can't breathe.
I'm the one.
469 County. We have one detained.
I drove.
Come back here.
Why are you guys?
Why?
I'm gonna get
Stay right here.
out of here.
Okay. What's going on?
I came through that from that direction.
Okay.
From Lucky
Stop at the
Shot.
stop sign?
I did stop at the stop sign. And
So
then
what
I
happened?
Came through, and my car ran into me. And that's the thing.
So he was going. So you were.
He was coming this way. I was coming this way.
Okay.
I stopped at the stop sign. He came this way. And
So where?
And that's my car.
Okay.
But
How much have you had to drink today?
I had a few drinks at Lucky Shots.
Okay. And you were driving?
Yeah, I was driving.
Okay.
I want to make sure that guy is okay.
We don't know if he's okay.
I know, and that's my biggest concern.
Okay.
My husband also can't breathe.
Okay. Yeah, they're going to be checking. They're going to be checking him out in a minute.
I just want to keep him.
10-4, thank you. Okay. So you said you were coming from Lucky Shots.
Yeah.
Okay. You were coming eastbound on Rusco here.
I'm sorry, I don't know if it's eastbound.
Yep, that way eastbound.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you stop at the intersection?
I did.
Okay.
But
Okay. Stop at the intersection. You started going through,
yeah,
and then he hit. Where about in the intersection did he hit you?
like right dead center.
Okay.
And that's when I ran right into
tried to find out more.
the side.
Okay.
Hey, can you guys stop sweeping? Hey, hold on.
Yeah, we might need a. Okay.
Because
So.
my dog is sick.
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
I've had a couple of drinks.
Okay. What is
I've
it?
had a few drinks.
Okay.
I've had
What's a few? It's
I've
different
had
for everybody.
3 drinks. I've had 3 drinks.
3 drinks.
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of drink? Beers,
A
wine.
margarita.
3 margaritas.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I kept pouring like soda water.
And
in
we're
my
we're
drinks.
sticking with the story you were driving.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I
You
was
100%
driving.
were driving.
I was 100% driving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I was 100% driving. My husband Adam, he can't breathe.
I know.
He-
They have.
Right immediately he said he wasn't able to breathe, and then that guy wasn't moving.
Okay. Yep. Okay. So.
I kept pouring soda water in my drink.
Okay.
So I
Yep.
had drinks, but I kept pouring water in my drink. My dog's also sick. If I can call my parents so they can go to my house to get my dog.
We'll be able to deal with that in a minute. We have a couple other things we need to deal with first, though. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think it needs to be recalled?
I'm the one that was driving.
So because you had some stuff to drink tonight, okay, you kind of slurring your words a little bit, your eyes are a little bloodshot and glassy, and the crash that occurred, I want to put you through some standardized field sobriety tests. Would you be willing to do those?
Yeah, I prefer to get a blood
Well, we'll talk about that later, but I need to run you through some tests first, okay?
test. Yeah.
Okay. So why don't we, hey, Sarge.
Rebecca Salomon admitted to the deputies that she had been drinking. She told them about the margaritas. She said she had 3. She said she switched to water. She said she felt okay to drive. She took field sobriety tests. She failed. A blood draw was performed at the hospital. Her back came back at .109, above the legal limit. The principal of an elementary school was above the legal limit on a county road where a man was dying in his car because she ran a stop sign.
So I have a couple other questions before we start, okay? So what time did you get to Lucky Shots?
It was at the Packer game, so
So-
3:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from 3:30 until the crash occurred, you only had 3 drinks?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I kept filling my 3rd drink with soda water.
Yeah. You can grab mine real quick. I'll unlock my spot. Okay. So at like 3:15, or the game started at 3:15. So did you get there for the start of the game?
We got there right at the start of
Okay.
the game.
So you got to Lucky Shots at like 3:15.
Yeah. Or yeah, 3:15.
Sure. Okay. And then what time did you leave Lucky Shots?
I mean, we just left, so.
So roughly shortly before, like to get over. It's not that far away, right? So
Yeah, like-
do you have an estimated time when you left at all?
It was a little after
Yes.
the game ended.
Okay.
It was a little after.
A little after the game ended?
Yeah. I mean, we stayed and talked a little bit, and then we left. But we
Okay.
knew we had to get home because of my dog needed
Yep,
antibiotics.
I got you. And we'll figure that, and I promise you we'll be able to make phone calls and figure out that, okay? First test I'm going to have you do, it's going to be a test of your eyes, okay? So all I need you to do, see what color this pen is?
Red.
Red? Okay. So I need you to do is follow this pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Don't move your head.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I need you to stand with your feet together with your arms down at your sides. Just get your toes together. I know it seems kind of tedious, but we have to run them a specific way. And just stand like that and then follow the pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? 469 County, I'll be on field. And then with your right foot, stand in front of it, standing heel to toe. Okay? So left foot on that line, and then put your right foot in front of it, standing heel to toe.
Wait, am I going on that line?
No,
or
just an imaginary line in front of you.
And where am I going?
Right now, I'm just trying to get you into the starting stance. So left foot on that imaginary line with the right foot in front of it, standing heel to toe. All right, you can begin. Count out loud.
3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. All right, you can turn and face me again. Okay. All right, next test is going to be a test of, it's a balancing test, okay?
1, 2,
Look at your lead foot.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Keep doing it. Keep going until you. Keep going. Yep.
Oh, I'm sorry. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
Okay, you can stop.
I grab mine because I don't even know your car.
That's all right. You have a gray one, or you have a?
Yeah, gray one.
Okay. All right. So this last part is going to be a PBT. Okay.
What's a PBT?
It's just a breathalyzer. It's not admissible in court. It's just a gauge to see where you're at. Okay.
No, I refuse.
You're not going to be taking it.
Blood test. Yeah.
Okay. You can turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're going to be placed under arrest for operating while under the influence. At this point, I believe it's causing great bodily harm, but we will determine what that's going to be when that actually gets figured out.
My husband, where's my husband?
I don't know.
District Attorney Barry Bratz asked for 20 years. He said the state wanted the sentence to serve as a deterrent. Judge Ryan Hetzel sentenced Rebecca Salomon to 6 years in prison, followed by 3 years of extended supervision. He said courts are taking impaired driving deaths more seriously. And then, he added something that no one expected. He honored the request of Dave Cournia's widow. He ordered Rebecca Salomon, upon her release from prison, to go to schools and speak to students about the dangers of driving under the influence.
Is it just your dogs at your house? Or do you have any kids at home?
It is, I know. I know it sounds silly.
It's not silly.
It's not anything compared to what that guy's going through in Milwaukee.
Okay, miss, so my name's Deputy Kid, I'm from the Sheriff's Office, okay? But I was not there. I don't know what happened exactly. I'm not investigating the crash or anything like that. But I'm a drug recognition expert, so I'm just here to rule out any sort of drug impairment or anything like that. So what I'm going to have you do is go into this PBT, okay? And then when it beeps, that's all I need you to do, okay? Keep going, 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 keep going. All right, thank you. Okay, so is that something you'd be willing to do? It's about 45 minutes. It's consensual, and yeah, it's about 45 minutes.
Am I under arrest?
You are under arrest.
Okay, so I haven't been given my rights, and I prefer if I can.
We haven't asked you any incriminating questions at this point. So we're just doing evidence collection right now. But I am actually about to read you your rights if you would agree to this test.
He's all done with his portion of it, okay? You've been cooperative with me so far, okay? But I'll put handcuffs in front of you, okay? But right now we're gonna go up to the jail, okay? All right. So just put your hands. What's that? So I'm gonna let you know as of right now, the other individual in the car, the guy in the other car, he is still alive. However, he does have pretty significant injuries. I wasn't able to get a list of what his injuries are right now. But right now, so it's going to be the OWI citation. It's going to be an OWI causing injury citation, and then a failure to yield causing injury as well.
Rebecca Salomon will spend 6 years in prison. When she gets out, A judge has ordered her to go to schools and tell students what she did. A principal teaching her final lesson, the lesson she could not teach herself on the night she felt okay to drive. 3 margaritas, a stop sign, 47 miles per hour, and a Marine veteran who was driving to work and never came home. That is the lesson, and it cost everything.